Jesus, oh yeah, Mary, the God of our victory, the God of our victory. Is it Jesus? Oh yeah, whatever situation it might be, Onya Mary will come in and give you victory. Do not lose hope. Do not fret. Do not be challenged. Because our God, Onya Mary, the mighty man in battle, the spirit of the spirits, he will come in and solve that situation. Onya Mary. Let this mind be in you, the mind of Christ. Our God liveth forevermore. Our God is alive. Our God liveth forevermore. Asimoye Mary, Asimoye Mary, Eze Jesus onye Mary, Eze